Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Let's learn billing document posting status D, billing document not relevant for accounting. Let's see with examples in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Whenever you get any issue, you can able to see in VF02 by clicking the release status or else VFX3. That is the known thing everyone I have explained in my YouTube videos. So I would like to request, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently I'm holding 800 and plus videos, and this is my dedicated Udemy forum. Currently I'm holding 6,557 students in this. This is one of my top course, 112 hours with 425 lectures, and these are the two courses: getting master to write functional specification and idoc training. I specifically recommend for each and every functional must have their knowledge to get into the first step of the corporate. Okay, so this is my favorite course pricing. I have done a lot of hard work to get onto the toes of availability in Udemy forum. So if you look at this, with that motivation, I have done one more course. This is even fantastic compared with this course. So you can try all these courses. I'm just providing these links, a few courses available for HANA, as for HANA learning also. I can help you out for the same in future to develop a dedicated course. Let's get into the SAP. Let's try to check what is this status, billing status with existing example. So now if you look at this, okay, so the status is D, billing document relevant for accounting. A certain billing document, if it is not relevant for accounting, then it is not, your billing document is not relevant for account determination. You need not post any values. So any guess? I would like to tell you, this is I have already explained in my YouTube forum. So the document type will be like F5 order related billing document, that is pro forma invoice, and F8 is another delivery related billing pro forma invoice, but it's like information which is readily available to print the bill, but you don't want to post to your finance department. Okay, it has a various set of scenarios in real time, but let me show you. So probably like I will take any one of the example. I will take a couple of examples, no issues. So let's take this. So let's try to create this sales order by entering the quantity. Let's save this. First, I will show you order related pro forma invoice. Okay, so let's take this, just copy this sales order slash n vf01. Okay, so let's copy this. Even you can able to do all those things through copy control. Let me show you in this regard actually. So g gf5. Okay, or else it is not copied. F5 you can take it. It's standard. So I'm just creating. Now if you can able to see this, go to the header, and if you try to observe the status is D, the starting itself. That means it is not posting to accounting. Okay, so let me show you one more time in VF02. Proforma invoice is sample invoice. It is not an actual transaction, but it's specifically useful. I have already explained like certain times. So before your billing, so before your PGA, if something you wanted to send, the vehicle need to send offline for delivery, or else for your account books, it can be a number of reasons. So this is the case. Check one more time. Later I will create and I will show you the D status again. Okay, so it's not relevant for accounting. So now let's try to create a delivery now. Just give your shipping point. All these are the part of basics I have already explained. If you are following my YouTube continuously, you can able to understand what I am explaining. So let's try to choose the selection date here. So if you choose a selection date, yeah, little further, so it will allow for delivery. Okay, let's come here. So okay, so now if you go to VF01, okay. So I'm just trying to create a not regular billing. F8, this is pro forma invoice. relevant for delivery. If you see this also, okay, go to the header. You can able to you can able to observe this one. The status is D. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so you can able to you aware of this one very well. Like there is no control on this, so you can able to create n number of performance invoice. If I want it, I can able to create it either with reference to order or delivery. Okay, let me go to VA03. This part you can able to observe here in document flow clearly. Like I have created two pro forma invoice delivery related. In the similar way, order related also I can able to create it. How many I want it, a max. People will create in real time 3 or 4. So now I think you understood what is the posting status D. Okay, let's catch up in next session. Okay, don't miss my courses. These are useful for you. So I have done a lot of hard work last 4 years. If you really want it, you can able to give a try. And even I have tried real-time incident resolution and some concepts here. You can able to give a try advanced down payment scenarios also I have explained. Whatever I know in real time, I'm trying to capture here in my dedicated Udemy forum and YouTube channel. If you really wanted to have that zeal and into, you can try all my courses, so that definitely it will give an edge. If you have a doubts, you can comment in the comment section. And if you really wanted to have this knowledge further, if I'm missing something, you can able to type it in comment box. I'll try to find my time. Certainly I will help you out on this regard. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.